Hi friends, welcome to AMG World. Here in this session, we are going to talk about the construction of internal combustion engines. Construction of engine. There are a number of moving parts present in IC engine, which are connected each other and relatively moving with each other. For understanding this, we should go for constructional diagram. So initially we have a cylinder. This is the engine cylinder, and here this is coupled with a casing which is called crankcase, and this particular portion which is above this casing, we call it as engine block. Here in this particular block there will be a sleeve present, and in this particular section, this is a cylindrical section, internally hollow, and in this particular hollow internal section the piston is going to reciprocate. Here piston will come. Piston is provided with a hole which is called a gudgeon hole. So here comes crankshaft. Here comes a crankshaft, and a connecting rod connects this piston with this particular crankshaft via a pin which is called a crank pin. So this is about the portion which is present at this particular middle section. So above of this particular engine block we have a head. This particular section called as engine head, and this head is provided with some drilled holes like this, and here one hole come, and this one also a drilled hole. This is the engine block and engine head, and this particular section is going to be connected with a manifold, a pipe like structure, and here also is going to connect it with a pipe which is called a manifold. If we have a wall here, if this wall is inlet wall, we call this particular manifold as inlet manifold, and if we have a wall, exhaust wall, here this particular manifold called as exhaust manifold, and this hole provides space to insert a fuel injector. If we are taking this one as CI engine, compressed ignition engine, here a fuel injector comes. If this is a SI engine, here a fuel spark plug comes, which ejects charges which are compressed, highly compressed in the engine cylinder. So here this is the fuel injector or spark plugs. Here this crankcase holds oil at its bottom, and it acts as a oil reservoir. With the rotation of crankshaft in two-stroke engines, particularly this one is four-stroke IC engine construction. There is a huge difference between four-stroke IC engine and two-stroke IC engine. So in this particular lecture we are going to discuss about construction of IC engine, which is four-stroke. This is the four-stroke construction, and let's go for the parts which are present in this particular diagram. So here this is the piston. This is the piston, and piston is connected with crankshaft via connecting rod, and here comes a shaft. This is the major shaft from engine the drive transfers to the outside, so that is the crankshaft. And this particular section which holds the crankshaft, right, this is a crankcase. And here a pin holds this particular connecting rod with crankshaft is crank pin, and this section, the piston and connecting rods, connected by a pin called wrist pin or piston pin or gudgeon pin. So here a liner inside of this particular cylinder, as I said, there will be a lining present that is called this particular section is called as sleeve. And this particular pipe like structure, it's generally these are aluminum made. So aluminum made, or sometimes we can use iron also, because the exhaust port, what happens, the temperature is a bit higher than inlet port, because all the burnt gases are going to be escaped from this particular port, which is exhaust port. Those particular flue gases are very much temperature, and it due to the conduction process, what happens, convection process. So what happens, the flue gases transfers its heat to this particular port and to this particular manifold. This, if I am considering this one as inlet manifold, and here I am considering this one as exhaust manifold. And these are the major parts which are going to be kept in the engines, in the engine, in the 4-stroke engine actually. And is there anything left? So here comes, if I take this one as an inlet manifold, if I take this one as inlet manifold, this particular section is going to be connected with a carburetor. In SI engine, if this is a CI engine, we'll have a filter over here which directly sucks air from the atmosphere during its suction stroke. Charges in SI engine is, charges in SI engines are air and fuel mixture. In CI engines, the charges are only air. So here we have a filter or a carburetor. So carburetor we use in SI engine and filter in CI engine, because CI engine sucks directly air into the engine cylinder during suction stroke, but in CI engine during suction stroke, what happens, it sucks air fuel mixture through carburetor, because the air fuel mixture is going to be air and fuel, these two are going to be become mixture by combining themselves in this particular device which we call as carburetor. So here carburetor comes, and if I take this one as exhaust manifold, here this particular exhaust manifold, this particular pipe is going to be connected with silencer, right, or some, now we are using BS6 engines, right. Here in this section, in this topic, in this BS6 engines, now there will be additional devices which called after treatment. So this exhaust gases is going to be so here comes, so this is the exhaust gases treatment section. Here we have a muffler or silencer, sometimes AdBlue mixtures. Those things will come to know in the upcoming videos. Here, up to here, I hope I have completed all the construction and details of this particular CI engine, which is 4-stroke engine. I hope this video is gonna be useful for you guys, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned to AMG World. Do subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon to have updates. Thank you for watching.